Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn common English collocations with do and make. Many English learners confuse these two verbs, but don't worry. After this lesson, you'll understand when to use do and when to use make naturally and confidently. We'll practice together, repeat together, and improve your English step by step. Make a mistake.
Make a mistake.
Do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
Make progress.
Make progress.
Do homework.
Do homework.
Make a phone call.
Make a phone call.
Do the cleaning.
Do the cleaning.
Make a decision.
Make a decision.
Do your best.
Do your best.
Make a profit.
Make a profit.
Do housework.
Do housework.
Make friends.
Make friends.
Do overtime.
Do overtime.
Make an effort.
Make an effort.
Do research.
Do research.
Make a plan.
Make a plan.
Do the dishes.
Do the dishes.
Make sure.
Make sure.
Do exercise.
Do exercise.
Make a suggestion.
Make a suggestion.
Do someone a favor.
Do someone a favor.
Make breakfast.
Make breakfast.
Do business.
Do business.
Make a complaint.
Make a complaint.
Do the ironing.
Do the ironing.
Make a difference.
Make a difference.
Do your duty.
Do your duty.
Make money.
Make money.
Do the cooking.
Do the cooking.
Make an appointment.
Make an appointment.
do harm.
Do harm.
Great job today. Now you know many common expressions with do and make, and you can use them correctly in daily conversation. Remember, do is usually for tasks and activities, and make is usually for creating or producing something. Practice every day. Repeat the sentences and try to use them in your own examples. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English too. See you in the next lesson.